The V304 is the strongest machine we ever purchased. We never had any problem with it, and it's been running for more than 10 years.
GB Structures has had a V304 for about 10 years. It's been their primary unit for processing plate. They recently added the V320. The V320 utilizes plasma and oxy-fuel, plus a drill to make primarily small parts. It can make larger parts, but realistically, GB is going to use this to make stiffeners and smaller base plates because it automatically unloads itself up to 20-inch by 20-inch parts.
It allows the operator to be working on other machinery, and the offloading is done automatically, and he can then pick up the pieces after and sort them out. The V320 is equipped with grippers to move throughout the machines, but the machine is aware of where the grippers are, and it allows us to cut around them to maximize the utilization of the plates.
The grippers on the back are always attached to the plate. Because of that, we have a very small dead zone. As it moves towards the plasma torch, the software is aware of the actual location of those grippers and is able to cut extremely close to them, further reducing the waste. So once your plate is loaded, it's time to start drilling. We include an SK40 spindle, a 10-tool changer, a mechanical hold down, and the perfect situation for drilling. The plate is always moving in the X-axis while the machine is moving in the Y-axis. And every time that drill hits the plate, it's held down perfectly against a very stable table and drills into thin air, maximizing your tool life. The outfeed of the V320 has a dump table. This allows the majority of your parts to slide down onto a conveyor belt. This means that the operator is not involved with the removal of the plate. It simply lays under the belt and it delivers it to either the operator or a parts bin. Voortman's user interface, VACAM, includes the operator dashboard. The intent of the dashboard is to make it clear what the operator needs to do that day and plan his time accordingly. The information that's given is total production time of a nest, how long it's going to take to drill, consumables required, when to change consumables, when a manual action is needed. This can help him make sure that he is available when the machine needs him. So when you arrive in the morning, the V320 has been drilling all night long. It's even used a brush to automatically push all the chips off of the top of the plate. Now it's time to either countersink, tap, or start cutting. The V320 can come equipped with one of two hypertherm plasma torches, either the XPR 300 or, like this one, the HPR 400. You also have the option for oxy-fuel, and when you switch, it's very quick and easy. It's simply a magnetic exchange where you switch one torch to the other. It takes a few seconds. When it's time to start cutting, we have a dross inhibitor. It's simply a spray that puts a little bit of oil on the top of the plate, so when you pierce, the slag doesn't attach to the plate. If your plasma torch loses an arc while in production, it's not a big deal. It's very easy in our control to find where the torch left off, start production at the exact same point again without any loss in quality. While the plasma torch is cutting, it's moving in the Y direction. All the slag is going to collect into the plenum chamber. There's a tray that collects the slag that's easy to slide out and dump into a bin. All your small parts are going to fall under this very heavy-duty parts conveyor and then land on a pallet. The slot above the plenum chamber is a very narrow area. This is an advantage because when you're cutting small parts and you utilize the drop table, there's almost no chance you're going to lose any parts in the plenum chamber. Because the 320 is ideal for small parts, we offer features like common line cut and bridge cutting. This allows you to use the drop table less often to drop more pieces at one time. When considering plate processors, think of Voortman. We have a whole range to consider. The V320, the V325, the V310, the V304, and the V303. Each one has their individual benefits. Contact us to see which one is best for you.